Hello everyone, my name is Shyam Chauhan and in this lecture we are going to cover 5 topics, that is topic number 2.2, 2.2.1, 2.2, 2.3 and the reciprocal of fraction. Let us start with topic number 2.2.1, division of whole number by fraction, that is division of whole number starting from 0, 1, 2 up to so on, and fraction is of the form a divided by b, where a and b are natural numbers. Now let us take the example division of whole number. Let's take whole number as 3. Division by fraction, let us take 5 divided by 7. Starting from the division sign, write left side above the division line, that is 3, and right side below the division line, that is 5 divided by 7. Now that is equals to, write the denominator on the opposite side, that is 3 as it is, 5 as it is. Send the denominator to opposite side and that is the answer. 3 into 7 is 21 divided by 5. Let's take one more example, that is 21 whole number divided by 3 by 5. Starting from division sign, write left side above division sign, right side below division sign. Now send the denominator on the opposite side, that is 5 on the opposite side, that is equals to 21 as it is, 3 as it is, denominator that is 5 on opposite side. Now 3 into 7 is 21, 7 into 5 is 35. Now let next topic, that is reciprocal of fraction. Let us first cover the division of fraction by whole number, that is division of fraction, that is of form a divided by b by whole number, that is starting from 0, 1, 2 and so on. We cannot take the whole number that is equals to 0 because we have to divide fraction, that is a divided by b by whole number, but denominator cannot be 0, that is whole number in this case cannot be equals to 0. Now let us take the example, that is 7 divided by 5, fraction by whole number divided by whole number. Let us take 9. Starting from the division sign, write left side above the division sign, that is 7 divided by 5, right side below the division sign, that is 9. Now send the denominator to the opposite side, that is equals to 7 as it is, 9 as it is. Send the denominator, that is 5, on the opposite side and that is the answer. 7 divided by 45. Let us take one more example. Fraction, let us take it as 9 divided by 11 divided by 3, that is whole number. Now starting from division sign, write left side above division sign, that is 9 divided by 11, right side below the division sign, that is 3. Now send the denominator to the opposite side, that is equals to 9 as it is, 3 as it is, 11 on the opposite side, that is 11. Now the answer, that is equals to 3 3s are 9 and 3 by 11 is the answer. Now division of fraction by other fraction. Let us take the example, that is 7 divided by 5 divided by 3 divided by 2. Starting from the division sign, Write left side above the division sign, that is 7 divided by 5. Right side below the division sign, that is 3 divided by 2. Now send the denominator to the opposite side, that is 7 as it is. Send 5 to denominator and 3 as it is, that is numerator of 3 by 2 as it is. Send 2 to the opposite side. Now 7 2s are 14 and 5 3s are 15. Let's take one more example, that is 9 divided by 5 divided by 3 divided by 2. Starting from the division sign, that is left side above the division sign, 9 divided by 5. Right side below the division sign, that is 3 divided by 2. Now send the denominator to the opposite side, that is equals to 9 as it is. Send 5 to denominator and 3 as it is. Send 2 to the opposite side, that is equals to 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6 divided by 5. Now the reciprocal of fraction. Reciprocal of fraction are the two numbers when two numbers, or particularly we can say fractions, are multiplied and answer is 1, then the two fractions are reciprocal of each other. Let us take the example. If I take the number 5 and 1 by 5, when two fractions are multiplied, or we can say whole number and fractions are multiplied, that gives the answer 1. Then we can say 5 and 1 by 5 are reciprocal of each other. We can write 5 is reciprocal of 1 by 5 and 1 by 5 is reciprocal of 5. Let's take another example. If I take 2 divided by 3 into 3 divided by 2, we will get the answer as 1. 3 3 will get cancelled, 2 2 will get cancelled, and the answer is 1. Then we can say 2 divided by 3 is reciprocal of 3 divided by 2, and we can also say 3 divided by 2 is reciprocal of 2 divided by 3. If I take one more example, that is 9 into 1 by 9. We have covered whole number and fraction. Let us take the example of fraction and whole number, that is 1 divided by 3 into 3, that is equals to 3 3 will get cancelled, that is equals to 1. So we can write 1 divided by 3 is reciprocal of 3, and we can also write 3 is reciprocal of 1 divided by 3. We have covered reciprocal topic with whole number and fraction, with fraction and fraction, and with fraction and whole number. So what we have covered in this lecture, that is division. Let us take one example of division, that is division of whole number by fraction, division of fraction by whole number and division of fraction by fraction. The method is similar. We have to start from the division operator, left side above the division line, right side below the division line. Then send the denominator to opposite side, that is equals to 3 divided by 5 as it is, and 7 to opposite side, and that is equals to 7 into 3 is 21 divided by 5. For second example, start from the division line, left side above division line, right side below the division line, and then send denominator to opposite side, that is equals to 5. Send 2 to the opposite side and 9 as it is, that is equals to 5 divided by 18. Last example, that is fraction by fraction. Start from division line, 7 by 2 above, 5 by 3 below division line. Send denominator to opposite side, that is division line, 7, 2 on the opposite side of division line, then denominator 5 as it is, 3 on the opposite side of division line, that is equals to 7 into 3 divided by 5 into 2, and the reciprocal topic, that is when two numbers or fractions are multiplied and answer is 1, then two fractions or the number are reciprocal of each other. We have taken the example 5 and 1 by 5. Product is 1, so we can say 5 and 1 by 5 are reciprocal of each other. We have taken two fractions, that is 2 divided by 3, 3 divided by 2, and product is 1. 3 3 will get cancelled, 2 2 will get cancelled, and hence we can say 2 by 3 is reciprocal of 3 by 2, and 3 by 2 is reciprocal of 2 by 3. And we have taken the example of fraction with whole number, and the product is 1, so we can say 1 by 3 is reciprocal of 3, and 3 is reciprocal of 1 by 3. In next lecture we will cover exercise 2.3 and the try this. Thank you.